Hi everyone, welcome back to class. I hope everyone had a good weekend and we're ready to go ahead and learn some more about plants life cycles, what they need to be healthy, and how photosynthesis plays into all of this. Today we're going to be talking about vegetables, and we get to play a really fun game on our iPads or computers today and actually get to grow vegetables with a friend who is online. So let's go ahead. Today we are going to grow vegetables with our friend Molly. She lives in Alaska and we're going to grow a few vegetables with her. We're going to start off with cabbage as a class, and I'm going to kind of walk you through the process. She also is awesome at explaining and helping us with this process, but I will show you kind of where to click, how to click, and you are always welcome after you finish the levels that you need to, which I'm requiring that you do at least 2 more levels on your own. So you'll do cabbage with me, and then you'll do the next 2 vegetables on your own, and then send me a screenshot with them unlocked so that I know you did it. But we're going to start with this link. This link is in our assignments, and it's called Veggiezilla, and you'll just click on the word Veggiezilla and it'll bring you straight to this super fun video game. So we're going to go ahead and press this square right by the music note. It'll make it full screen for us. So let's go ahead. Now we're going to click our play button, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what we're going to be doing today.
Veggiezilla! Hi everyone, it's me, Molly. And I'm Trini. Welcome to my garden. Vegetables need sunlight to grow, and in the summer, Alaska gets a lot of sunlight, so our veggies can get really big. Help us grow giant vegetables to eat. Maybe we'll even win prizes at the Alaska State Fair.
So let's go ahead and listen. We are starting with cabbage. Do you see how this one is unlocked? Because we can see our vegetable and it's giving us the option to play. And this is unlocked. So you're going to have to do 2 unlocked after these. But let's go ahead and press the play button for cabbage.
Here are our cabbage plants. We're going to take care of them so they can grow really big for the fair. If you want to take a break or start over, tap this button. Oh no, the soil in our garden is getting too dry. What can we read to learn how to water our plants? Which of these will help us find out how to fix our soil? A book called Vegetable Recipes. A blog post called Garden Help, Problems with Soil. A seed packet called Tomato Seeds.
Alrighty friends, let's go ahead and pick together. Let's start at our tomato seeds. How will this not help us with our water problems? Well, they're just seeds. We do need seeds to grow vegetables. However, this is not our water source. We come here, this says Garden Help Problems with Soil. It has a watering can and a picture of watering plants. It has water droplets. That might be a good resource. Or it has this book that says Vegetable Recipes with a Spoon. It looks like the type of book that helps you cook vegetables. That might be in the kitchen. So let's go ahead and click on.
Great job! Nice! This informational blog post can help us learn how to fix our soil. Plants need lots of water. When soil gets dry, gardeners water their gardens with watering cans or hoses.
Alrighty, let's pick our next button.
What tools should we use to water our soil?
Do we remember what our watering can looked like from that picture? So right here, let's go ahead and just 1 click.
Tap the soil to add water.
And all we have to do is bring our mouse over here to the dry soil and click.
Awesome! Our soil isn't dry anymore, and our plants are growing.
let's keep clicking our dry soils when they get cracky. Alrighty. We have some cracks. Let's go ahead and water our dry soil.
Awesome job!
Wow, look at them. They're so big. Dry soil, just tap one time on each plant.
Awesome!
Let's see what happens if you don't water them.
Quincy, that's awesome! We are ready for the fair. Let's see how much the cabbage weighs.
Wow.
We did it! Wow, that cabbage is enormous! And we won first place in the Alaska State Fair! I can't wait to share these yummy vegetables with our friends and family! Woohoo! Let's grow some more big vegetables. Tap the button to choose another vegetable.
Tap this button, and now you are gonna go on your own, and you're gonna
Got a new vegetable to grow. Squash.
You are going to do squash and this mystery vegetable. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and exit. If you need to watch this again,